Hello friends, this is an introduction session for advanced solar PV designing. This is the introduction session for the BC Executive Training Program on advanced solar PV designing. What is this advanced solar PV designing? See, solar photovoltaic power plants are now very famous in India and all over the world. It's a kind of it is a renewable energy power plant which generates electricity from sun. So 10 years back, it was a renewable energy source, but it was not a conventional source, right? There are so few small power plants here and there. But now, because of the advancement of the technologies and all, and advancement of all the installation practices, it now becoming a kind of conventional solar power plant where people are building large and extra large sized power plants using solar like 100 megawatt 200 megawatt at one place and connecting it to grid. It's a utility scale large size solar power plant. It requires huge investment, it requires huge designing capabilities, and it requires a lot of manpower to work on it. Okay, but the only condition for those manpower is the manpower should be very much well trained and understand the whole process. It's not like that, understanding one software or one side of it is enough. No, understanding the whole process of the designing, that gives an advantage when you apply in solar photovoltaic companies. So let me tell you about the brief about this program, this training program, the specifics about the program. Okay, so it's a 4 week advanced solar photovoltaic designing, and it's connected in this. It will be done in 4 sessions, like basic engineering process. The first session, second session is the understanding the PVsyst software. Third session is the PVsyst report and loss analysis, and fourth session is the industrial application of this program. Now a lot of people will ask me a question that why, if this PVsyst analysis, are we are gonna get training about the PVsyst software, or we are gonna become an expert? Yes, we are going to train you about PVsyst. Okay, but I don't know you are going to become the expert or not, because people who are working in on PVsyst from past 5 years, they never says that they are going to be expert. Okay, to become an expert of any software, you need to work on real projects, and real projects cannot just somebody give you. When you join a company, they will come up with their own parameters and all. You need to put that in the PVsyst and then simulate it, and then slowly you become a good and then a expert level of understanding. Right now in this program, if you we will train you about the PVsyst, the engineering process, the solar resource assessment, loss analysis. So all this knowledge will somehow use, you can use these knowledge to explain your candidature as a solar photovoltaic designer to a company. You definitely have an upper hand with respect to all other guys who are applied in that company. So the target of this program is not to not to make you an expert. If somebody gives a false hope to all of you guys, you just do this program and you become an expert, it is completely not true. Okay, be focused, try to learn as much as you can through this training program, and slowly you will get the basics done. And yes, when you start working, definitely within few years you become expert in this program. Who can join this program? Anybody can join this program, but try to understand PVsyst is a software which is more on electronics engineers. Okay, but if you are from mechanical engineer and if you have the knowledge of basic electrical engineering, mechanical civil also can join this training program. There is no issue in that. But yes, you should have a basic knowledge of electrical engineering. There is a 4 video sessions out there, and there is a trial PVC software will be there to for so that you guys can practice. Okay, mentor support is there, and definitely when you finish this whole program, you will get a e-verified specialization certificate. Okay, so it is my request. So whosoever is uh, interested in seeking a career in solar photovoltaic power plant, especially large sized grid connected utility scale power plant, solar power plant, then please do this program, and this definitely it will gonna help you in many ways with respect to solar photovoltaic designing. Thank you very much.